is still the same video from Bruno Flaven from the website. So we've seen the use case 1, scripting resize Photoshop, in the previous video. And this time we're going to install locally Imagemagick. We're not yet at Docker and Imagemagick. Okay, so this time I'll just show you how to install. So for those who don't know what is Homebrew, sorry, on a Mac, this is the one of the most effective tool that you may require, because you can leverage on any open source. So you don't just need to cut and paste this in the terminal. So I won't do it because I have already made and I've already installed the stuff. So this is a way to install Imagemagick as far as you send brew. And what I'm going to show you that locally I have brew installed, as you can see. Okay, so that means that brew is currently working, and I won't install it. Okay, and I won't make the doctor, etc. But you can cut and paste, and it will be on my GitHub account. You can cut and paste this command. I mean this one first. It will be 1, and then 2nd, and then 3rd, and then you can test with that. 4th. So basically, what I've done is that, as you can see, I still have the same installation and the same image. So I have my source and my destination. You remember in the Photoshop, I was using the same directory tree. Okay, so this time I'm gonna apply, for instance, this one, which is the converting. This is basically how 5, for instance, 5 convert image unique. Okay, it's just one. What do you say, unique? Okay, so it will go from the source and then will send the image to the destination. So let's see. And it will be, this time it will be resized to, we are at 20%. Okay, so I will make 20, let's say 20%. I name it like that so you know that I'm checking 20%. Okay, so let's apply, and it's done. So as you can see, this image has been resized, and that was nature 2, which is this one. Oh no, sorry. What is that? No, sorry, that was this one. That was this one that was more than 1,000 pixel, and then it turns to 256. Okay, I can even do this one if you want. Well, it's just the regular use. Okay, but basically what we want to do now is we want to make the automation and the bulk. Okay, so here we go, just to show you that it's possible to easily quickly. Okay, and then you can see that this one has been created. Okay, and it's 272, and this one is more than 1,300. Okay, but right now, and then you can start to leverage on this image. So I'm deleting the image. And you can use shell scripting. I mean, that's pretty easy, but if you're working with developer, they can write you a bunch of stuff and help you to resize this image, meaning that as a journalist, you just have to say, okay, just give me a click with a .bat or a .app script that enables me to launch the resizing for the future article or post I want to send. Okay, so let's use here the local. As you can see, I'm pretty verbose. So as you can see, I will go to this directory where I'm already in. I clear my console. Here we go. We are here and good. And then I define the path from the source and the destination. And then I can launch it like this because the name of this shell is exactly this one. Okay, as you can see, this one. So I just cut and paste this in command and resize it. As you see, I've just print the command to show. And here, this is the real execution, because as you can see, my destination folder is still empty. So I will clear again and redo. Okay, then I redo. And then he's doing the stuff, okay? And then it's done. So as you can see, we have made all this resizing, okay, to that was resized to 20%, okay? So yeah, effectively 20%. Okay, so what I want, I'm not sure. No, sorry, it was not 20%. It was, I think it was too big. So I made a mistake. Here we go. This is 20%. Here we go. 20%. Yeah, this is 20%. Okay, it's more like 1/3. Okay. So basically we've made it, and I always print out in the console because I can then reuse somehow and see what has been done, and I always say, okay, check the image. Basically, you see the power of Imagemagick, and we will see now the very le plat de résistance, or the morceau de choix, as we say in French, which is the main course, which is the use case 3. So I will be back in a minute and explain you how to install Docker. Okay, how to install and to use Docker and to use Imagemagick. And this time, just to make in advance, this time it will be easier to share this implementation of Imagemagick, and then you will get rid of your local personal desktop and even your local personal Photoshop, and no more license, no more anything. It's all free and shareable, so you can share among all your team, all the editorial team, for instance, the same implementation, which is basically was more dedicated to developers, but can be applied to many editorial team. As we are locked down now, people need to work, and maybe they need to find an easy way to resize and to produce a lot of image. Okay, so see you in a minute.